In a quiet little town surrounded by fields of wildflowers and streams of crystal clear water, three best friends, Ella, Sam, and Benny the cat, spent their days exploring nature. One sunny afternoon, Ella's grandfather gave her a special gift, a simple microscope. "This will help you see the unseen," he said with a wink. Ella was thrilled and couldn't wait to share her discovery tool with her friends. Ella and Sam sat under their favorite oak tree as Ella unpacked the microscope. Benny was sprawled nearby, swatting at a buzzing beetle. "What should we look at first?" Ella asked, her eyes sparkling with excitement. Sam suggested a drop of water from the nearby stream. They carefully placed a drop onto a glass slide and adjusted the microscope. "Wow!" Ella gasped. "It's like a whole other world in here." "These are microorganisms," she explained. "They live in the water, but we can't see them without this." Sam peered through the microscope and laughed in amazement. Inspired, the trio decided to explore more of the hidden world. Ella suggested examining a blade of grass. Under the microscope, they saw a pattern of tiny green cells. "These cells make food for the plant using sunlight," Ella explained. Sam had another idea. He brought over a speck of dirt. To their surprise, they saw tiny insects scurrying around. Ella pointed out, "Some insects are so small we never notice them, but they're really important for the soil." Just then, Benny nudged over the beetle he had caught. They carefully examined its leg under the microscope and saw the intricate details of its tiny claw. "Even the smallest creatures are beautifully designed," Sam said in awe. Ella's grandfather appeared, smiling at their enthusiasm. "You've seen the good side of the tiny world," he said. "But there's another part. Let me show you." He placed a smear of yogurt on a slide. Under the microscope, they saw squiggly, rod-like shapes. "These are bacteria," Ella's grandfather explained. "Some help us, like these, which are good for our stomachs, but others can make us sick if we're not careful." Ella nodded thoughtfully. "So that's why we wash our hands before eating," Sam added, "and why we shouldn't drink water straight from the stream." The three friends spent the rest of the afternoon discovering more microscopic wonders. As the sun began to set, Ella carefully packed the microscope away. "Today, we saw a world that's always been there, but we never noticed," she said. Sam nodded. "It's amazing how something so small can be so important."